First impression, si Bernard, pwede mag-Ilonggo?
Pwede po.
Okay, first impression, si Bernard Abe, gamay siya. Cute siya, cute nga, bata. So, yun, nakitaan lang ko sa iya, sang second year kami. So, mula tong pinaka-first impression ko sa iya. Si Bernard, very gentle na siya nga tao, tapos very kind. Wala, hipos lang siya, then very sweet. Yan. Since high school pa kami, kay high school kami, he's been sending me love letters sa to. So, very sweet na siya. Hindi ko na ma-remember, pero, ginahambal niya dito sa letter nga daw, ara lang siya dire. Something like that. Ako nang ma-remember ko. Wala ko na ito nabasa, dugay na, pero ara lang siya dito sa closet ko, nakamutang ang letters niya. Very close sila sa family. Nalata ko lang, very siya, generous, and very caring siya sa mom niya. So isa na sa mga nagustuhan ko, ma'am, ng the way he treats his mother. I thank God nga ginhatag niya si Bernard sa akon. Tama ba? It's because hindi ako perfect, pero accepted niya tanan ng imperfections ko. So, amo lang nang kailangan ko man sa isa ka guy, isa ka lalaki. And then, I thank him also because si Bernard Abig, yung pag-pray ko na siya. So, thankful ko nga siya gid ang ginhatag ni Lord. So, amo sina.
Can you imagine a life without Bernard?
No. Especially subong, no? Nga we're getting married. So, parang parang part of the puzzle si Bernard diba? So, parang he completes me. He's the one because, nabudlay ba? He's the one kasi siguro, for how many years now we've been friends. No nga, hindi namon ma-imagine nga, ay, maging kami gali after 20 years. After what? 20 years, diba? Tapos medyo late 30s na kami. So, I mean, kung destiny mo gid ang isa ka tao and God is telling you na He's the one, sometimes you cannot explain why, but it just happens. Hi, Bern! I can't wait to finally marry you. And hindi ko ma-imagine nga makalabot ta sa amo ni nga situation. So, I'm very happy and I'm very glad that ikaw ang pakaslan ko. I'm so lucky and I'm so blessed. See you! I love you! Saranghe!
High school friends talaga kami. So, we really made friends from second year high school. So, from there, medyo doon talaga kami nag-start mag-communicate and everything. Then, uso pa yung phone pal nun. So, di ba, landline, wala pang cellphone masyado. So, yun. Then, eventually, I think around that time, gusto ko siya pero may iba siyang gusto. Like, busted ako sa kanya. And, dahil putot ako maliit for her. Right? So, yun. Tapos eventually, nagkaroon kami ng sarili-sariling relationships din. So, yun. After how many years? 20, I think? So, last 2022 lang kami talaga ulit nagkaroon ng chance na to talk things over. Second year high school na doon talaga ako nag-start communicate, phone pals, then letters. So very very random things. Then I just started giving her some, paano ba? Very kasi siya mafe-feel mo na every time genuine talaga siya sa mga bagay or whatever thing she does. And yeah, very honest, then very easy to get along with. So, like, very, very smooth yung foundation namin of friendship. So, when our feelings went over friendship phase, so I think the dynamics just fell into their right places. So, yeah. I can't imagine my life without her now because I'm too invested with her, and I know she completes a part of me. Then because we've come into a place or a time of our lives that, you know, we know what we want, we can decide on our own. So it's part of, you know, it's because for me love is a choice. So I choose her to love her and to be with her. So yeah, so I can't imagine myself without her. I can say that she's the one for me because there's this feeling that she let me feel that my heart will be safe with her. I know she's capable of loving, giving love, especially to me and to my family. So that's the most important thing to me actually. I can see that she loves my family as well. She's very light and open with her family. Most often, if I'm with their family, like very light, things are very, you know, easy to be with. So I haven't felt any pressure being around the Comicha family. So yeah, Carmeli is I can say Carmeli is part of me already because there's this feeling, you know, that if I think of her not being with me, I mean, there's something within her that I can't really still fathom, right? But I know she's a part of me. She completes me, so I can't find the right words. I like her because she makes me feel, she lets me be who I am around her. So like there are times that, you know, some very little things that she can tolerate about me. Those things like you know, my very insensitive parts of me, like, you know, not being sometimes I don't communicate with her as she expected. So but she, you know, she goes around it, she tolerates things, but I know those things can be improved. So yeah, I like her because of, you know, she considers these things just to be with me also. Okay, so IBB, so I will not promise you anything, but just know that I will always be here for you. I'll support you all the way. I will do my best to provide and protect our family, our future family. So, and I think I just I can tell you this. I cannot promise you everything, but I will do my best to give you my 100%, and I will always choose to love you every day. I love you.
So, daw nagwapa amon ng sityo kay puro gwapa kay gwapo bisita. Kabaway na daw na uyaw na iba. Anyway, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. You're welcome to our municipal hall. No? Ito po yung face ng Municipality of Tantangan. So, daw ni okay, hindi kay Nanay B, Councilor Bello. And si sister na daw kapatid ko na rin yun. Mga family ni Nanay B, kapamilya ko na rin. So, ngayong hapon po ay pinagdiriwang natin ang pag-isanditid ni Bernard at ni Carmel. Tama. Pero just like others na lang ko sinasabi na ito hindi lamang union ng dalawang taong nagmamahalan sa ngayon, no? Na decided to be together forever through kung simbahan pa sacrament of matrimony dito, ang ating wedding rites ay acknowledge na ating pamahalaan. No? So legal talaga yung ating proseso ngayong hapon na ito. So ang Lagamon, Hilomen, Jose and Comicho ay hindi lang sila dual, no? Kundi yung apat na pamilyang yun ay may celebration of union also. Kasi sa Pilipino kasi no, pag nadagdagan ang members of the family, happy tayo lahat. And si Bernard ay welcome sa family ni Carmeli. Si Carmeli naman po ay welcome din ng family ni Bernard. So kaya tayo nandito ngayon lahat. Kaga nakikisama ang panahon na napaka ganda yung oras ng kasal, plus yung ang panahon ay makulimlim, tama-tama lang hindi after sa inyong reception karon, no? Nakikisama talaga.
Alam naman.
Excited din, okay? So siguro na ito ay isang celebration ng pamilya, but most of all, syempre, celebration para sa ating Panginoon. To the relatives and friends, especially to the sponsors, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. You are the 351st couple since my day one as the local chief executive of the municipality of Tatan. So, favorite ko po na gawain yung mag-solemnize ng wedding. Nung una, akala ko part ng role na bilang mayor. But in the long run, I really love doing this kasi pag mayor ka, lahat problema mo. They will realize, magigising ka isang araw, love pa rin yung naging babaw. So, we are inspired every time we see two people na yun, kahit na anong nangyayari sa paligid, meron ka pa rin nakikita dalawang tao na talagang they don't give up, no? Yung isa't isa. Kasi nga, dahil sa pagmamahalan. At hindi lang naman sa relasyon yung pinag-usapan, kundi as a community, the long run, na-realize natin noon na dapat daw mga pamilya yung strong basic unit of society para maganda yung pag-governance natin. Pero sa 351st couple at 351 couples, yun yung nag-open ng mind sa atin na kailangan unahin natin pala yung mag-asawa muna na i-deepen yung foundation ng pagsasama through these ceremonies para ma-radiate yung strong relationship ng mag-asawa sa pamilya, then ma-radiate sa community natin. At easy na for the government, no? Implement kung ano may programa na gusto natin i-implement sa ating community. And thank you pwede naman po na sa iba, no, yung pagpapakasal, no, ang napakaganda, ang very, ang beautiful and handsome natin na partner ngayon, no? So, I'm so honored na dito po ang piniliin yung kayo 351. So, memorable for me. Medyo na-tense ako kanina, sabi ko nanay, gaganda naman lahat. So, ako kasi sabi ko, okay lang na, sabi nanay. Si nanay kasi, I can express my, pero kung ano yung sinasabi ko po from couple 1, yun na rin ang isi-share ko sa ka-351 para at least 351 couples bring the same mindsetting na pag sa buhay may asawa ng mga pwede natin i-share. So, Bernard and Carmeli, ilang mag-markas ko na yan? Nang pinakano ka as boyfriend ko?
2 years.
2 years. Tama, malalim na rin ang foundation. LDR o dyan lang?
LDR.
LDR. Mas lalong amaze pag LDR. Kasi pag 2 years, medyo matagal na yan. Yung foundation ninyo, ups and downs na yan, pero magkasama pa rin kayo. You decided to be together na panghabang buhay. Yun na is really a brave decision to make. So, ang pagpapakasal daw ay hindi naman ninyo pinano na si Mayor TV doon ka. Kung manalo si Mayor TV, doon ako papakasal. Hindi naman gano'n, di ba? Or, sige, pag itong araw na to, July, ano yun? 4 or July 4, hindi natin alam na yun yung araw ng kasal natin. Kumbaga dumating na lang siya dahil nagplano tayo sa kasalan na celebration natin. Pero what I mean is, hindi natin alam lahat. Pero pinagdasal natin na sa loob ng 2 taon, you give your, kumbaga lahat is God's plan. Kaya sinasabi ko palagi doon sa mga couples na ang pagpapakasal ay isang milagro ng Panginoon sa atin. Kasi marami ka naman pwede makita, Bernard, dami magaganda, LDRA. Posible, hindi mo kami sa iba, no? Ganon din si Carmeli. Marami din gwapo, di ba?
Yes.
Oo, agree siya sa core.
Mas madaming
But at the end of the day, siguro ikaw talaga yung binigay ng Panginoon. Kayo ay pinagtagpo at pinaghala. Milagro talaga ng Panginoon. Sabi ng isang song, 2 billion people riding around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'll find your way to me? So kahit na billions of people na daw nakasalubong natin, kayo pa rin ang pinagtagpo. Kaya milagro talaga ng Panginoon. Kasi kahit gusto natin kung ayaw mo, tayo magawa, di ba? So, pangalawa, acceptance. Actually, 2 years sama kayo, naintindihan yung ibig sabihin. Yung acceptance daw, bukas marami na kayo na-discover. No? Sa 2 years na, marami na silang alam sa isa't isa. Lalo pa ngayon. Nung una, nung ako ang ikakasal, sabi ng pare. Kasi in-interview yung pare. Ang question niya sa akin, handa ka na ba? Sabi niya. Ay, handa na po, father. Kasi 35 years old na ako. Baka hindi na ako makahanap na pakasalan ako. Ayoko nang pakawalan yan. Kasi 35 na, di ba? Nakakabulong. Pero yung point pala ng pare doon ay, handa ka na ba na sa pag-visit mo sa umaga, siya ang unang mong makikita, bago ka matulog sa gabi, siya rin ang huli mong makikita. No? Lalo na kung magkatabi sa pagtulog, di ba? Pag-gising mo siya lang una, pag tulog mo siya man ang huli. Marami pa discover na akala ko ganito ka, akala ko ganito. So wala nang bawian dito. Dapat may total acceptance. Nakagaya ng ito, very literal lang na example. Siguro si Bernard noon bago akyat ng ligaw kay Carmeli, may chance ka bang maligo, magpabango, magpagwapo. Siya, ay wala na.
Joke lang.
Oo.
Natural, Doc.
Yan talaga. Oo, di ba? Kasi yung iniisip niya na kung kailangan gwapo ako sa mata ni Carmeli. Di ba? Lalo na kung naniligaw pa. Si Carmeli ganun. Ay, naku, palapit si Bernard. Kailangan, hindi ako oily, maganda. But anyway, kahit ikaw full, gwapo ka. Di ba? But what I mean is, you always prepare for yourself doon sa mahal mo na gusto mong ma-appreciate ka talaga. Pero kapag asawa na kasi, total acceptance na yan. Whether pangit o maganda po yung makikita, kailangan nyo accept na. Pag-ising sa umaga, wala ka ng chance magsuklay, Carmeli. No? Maybe kung magkatabi na matulog, magreklamo na sa hurago. Ako sa hurago mo, hindi ko takot matulog. Diba? Lalo na kung bago pa lang magkatabi sa pagtulog. Sabi rin ni Bernard. Ngayon ikaw tanda, Carmeli, reklamador ka. Ikaw gani kung mabuntong ko, nakanganga ka man kayo matulog. Diba? Okay, sa kita pa matulog, pang laway, puti-puti ka. Ibig sabihin, you don't have the time to prepare para hindi niya makita yung pangit natin na angulo. Lalo na yung ugali natin. Kaya kung maakit pa lang kita, no? Kahit na love mo yung person, talagang may disagreement. Ma'am, no? Kahit na in love ka na sa kanya, may disagreement pa rin yan, matakpan ka din. Sige, hanggang magambal ka pang, halin ka, gano'n. Pero at the end of the day, pag mag-subside na ay, you will realize, hindi ko siya kaya, i-let go. Ganun ang mag-asawa. Dapat, din, there's always time na maakit man, pero at the end of the day, mag-agree din na, maakit lang tayo, mag-away lang tayo, pero hindi tayo maghiwalay. Dapat ganun kasi ang mindset din ng asawa. Okay? Acceptance. So, doon sa covenants natin, may 4 na covenants na sinabi sa Bible. Pero ayon hindi ko nipadalman. Ano? Kaya sabi niya, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, for sickness and health, till death, do us part. So, 4 yan. Actually, lately ko lang nalaman, 4 kaya ako ng obligasyon sa akong partner. Kasi lagi ko lang sinasabi, naririnig lang natin sa mga vows natin. Pero kung bilangin ko, bugat-bugat. Pero sabi niya, pag nagkasakit ako, naku, huwag mo naman ako iwanan. Ay, kayo nadula ng tanan hanggang kung bigyan din ako ba? Or ang sinasabi doon, kamatayan na daw ang paghiwalay sa ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay hindi pwedeng paghiwalay ng tao. And I'm pretty sure that Carmeli ay pinagdasal mo si Bernard.
Yeah.
Yes, amen. And Bernard, pinagdasal mo rin si Karen.
Yes po.
Yan. Favorite
Carmeli
song?
po.
Carmeli.
Ay, Carmeli. Sorry.
Wala pa akong kilala
Karen.
May, ano naman, ano sabat mo?
Wala akong kilala
Wala, may
Karen.
pero may Karen dito. Okay. Hindi, si
Diyos,
Karen
ano?
ay relative ni Marites. Diba? Si Marites dito sa US daw.
Si
Karen. Okay. Carmeli. Okay? So, pag we offer everything to God, everything is possible. So, sabi niya, sa isang kanta na favorite ng lahat ng couples, ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Every second, every minute, every hour of the day, dapat kayong dalawa talaga. And lastly, kung ipadugayon, kaya sabi ni Bernard, dali ka dira mayor. He's the bride ng ginakapot ni Bernard. Diba? So lastly, isa lang naman, gusto ko pa rin na paabot pa rin sa couple na ang asawa ay asawa forever. Anyway, there are broken marriages. Hindi pa natin yan sila control and we should not judge them kasi hindi natin nagdaanan nila. Ang pinag-usapan natin dito ngayon ay yung dalawa. Dahil nag-commit kayo sa isa't isa na maging mag-asawa habang buhay. Yung nga sabi ko yung mindset is asawa is asawa forever. Huwag daw tanggalan ng letter A yung word na asawa kasi magsasawa tayo. Huwag daw tanggalin yung S, awa na lang. Huwag daw tanggalin ng A, what na. Huwag tanggalin ng W. Nangangatabo tuman. Diba? So, huwag daw i-allow na yung letter A makakarating ka sa dulo na letter A. Doon pa lang sa first letter ng word na asawa, ipaglaban na talaga. No? So, what's the purpose of being here kung di ating kaya ipaglaban hanggang sa dulo? I'm pretty sure na every love story is like an MMA. Merong bida, merong kontrabida. Pero at the end of the day, pinaglaban ninyo ang inyong pag-ibig sa isa't isa. So kung pinaglaban nyo hanggang dumating kayo dito sa pagkakataon na magpapakasal kayo, so ipaglalaban natin hanggang sa dulo. Okay? God bless to both. Okay? So this afternoon, we're all gathered here to witness and celebrate a very special occasion for Bernard and Carmeli. A very special day to both of them because it's their wedding. After all, they have decided to unite and to live together for life. Sa mga ninyong katinang, you will be living with the sense of the promises and commitment that they will make in just a short while. As the municipal mayor of the municipality of Tantan, it is stipulated in the law, the Local Government Code of 1981 or RS 1160. So yung sinasabi kanina na dito naka-anchor bakit si mayor nagsasolidnize ng wedding. That I have the authority to confirm and declare you as permanent couple. I'm also convinced that the motivating factor why the two of you decided to come here this afternoon is no other but love. So yun talaga ang foundation nila. Sabi o pag-ibig, pag pumasok sa puso, inuman, hamakin ang lahat. Masunod ka lang. Okay? So, diretso na tayo. Nakatanong na ng direction kayo na. Ginalihog ko ang couple to please stand. Kasama ang ating parents and all our witnesses. Let us now start the rite of the civil marriage. Pero, ito yung hihiling ko lang. Kasi binigay ko na yung sagot sa tanong ko no? Pero ang hilingin namin lahat ay sana marinig din namin kung gaano kamahal ni Bernard si Carmeli at sasagutin din niya ni Carmeli. So may recorder na rin, na video.
Yes.
Ayan,
Yes.
kaya kung magsugutan, i-play mo kita ginagawa. Sige, una natin pakinggan sila. Vow, exchange of vow. Yeah, wala kami na ng van. Ako lang ba kay nanay, kay on the spot na yun?
to.
Wow.
Yeah. Sige na ay. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan.
I love you so much.
Wow! I love you.
Umpisa
Tapos,
sa highlight tayo. I love you so much. So, thank you for allowing me and giving consent to be with me forever. So, I agree with Mayor that there will be ups and downs, challenges in life in the future, but I will and we should choose each other because we love each other. Okay? I love you.
Palakpakan po natin si Bernard.
Yay!
Talagang may kilig, ano pa ha. Okay, si Carmen.
Bernard, I vow to support you, love you, be with you, and face all challenges with you. And I vow to be a good wife. And I also vow to be a good, not perfect mother, but the best mother in the future. I love you so much.
Palakpakan natin si Okay, nakaka-inspire naman talaga si Bernard at si Carmel. So, sige, kaya deserve nyo na binigyan na yung sagot. Okay, so ang una nating tatanungin ay si Bernard. Okay? Bernard, did you come here in your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your mind?
Yes, I do.
Are you here to give yourself to be? Are you here to give yourself to her to be her lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to accept her to be your lifetime partner for the rest of your life?
Yes, I do.
Okay, para naman kay Carmel. Did you come here in your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
Are you here to give yourself to him to be his lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to accept him to be your lifetime partner?
Yes, I do.
Napatapos question mo, yes, I do talaga. Sige lang, yes, I do na siya. Ang question is, are you willing to accept him to be your lifetime partner for the rest of your life?
Yes, I do.
Para sa inyong dalawa, Bernard and Carmeli, ang may question ako ulit, pero sabay niyo sasagutin. Ang sagot ay, yes, we are ready. Okay? Are you both ready to be good parents and raise the child or the children whom God will give you?
Yes, we are ready.
Let's now proceed with the exchange of signs and symbols, the ring and the array. The ring symbolizes the endless love of a man and a woman, and the array symbolizes the responsibility of the husband he should undertake as provider and head of the family.
Sa left lang.
Okay, sa left ring finger. Kaya sa right daw, I found the one. Pero kung ara na sa left, kasal na ko. Okay? Sige. Si Bernard, okay. Di pakiguide ka siya dito.
Carmeli, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty to you. I choose you to be my wife from this day and to the rest of my life.
Bernard, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty to you. I choose you to be my husband from this day and to the rest of my life.
Carmeli, receive this hour as a symbol of my responsibility to work hard and to do my best for our family.
I accept this with joy and gratitude as a symbol of my responsibility of raising our family with you. Ipabulsa ko sa'yo. Itago mo daw. Ibulsa ka. Sige. Sige, hawak kamay kayo.
So let's listen to the prayer of the couple.
Grant us, O Lord,
to unite
to
bind us together in heart and in mind from this day on, whatever happens, in good times and in bad times, in joys and in sorrows, in sickness and in health, till death do us part.
You have just witnessed the vows are here. May all of you, the sponsors, parents, and relatives, do all in your power to pray for this married couple. I'm excited to pray. But I'm the next tapos. Okay? And I, TV Joy G. Torres Gonzalez, by virtue of the power vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines as the Municipal Mayor of the Municipality of Tantangan, and as mandated in RA 7160, Chapter 3, Article 1, Section 444, I hereby confirm you now as husband and wife. Okay, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Gomez.
Yay!
Ari na kita Italian kung giver. Okay. Pero meron po kami dito ha, ng 10 seconds please. Hindi pa namin yun na-break since 358 ko po. Okay? So ang policy namin dito, Carmeli, pag hindi nag-follow, ulit-ulitin namin. Okay, balan ko gagawin na tanan. Sige. Bernard, pwede mo na halikan ang napakaganda kabiyak ng iyong puso na si Carmen. In 10 seconds. May ganyan pa.
Magka-countdown sa
Sige. 10, 9, 8. Dilang. Wala. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nakaginawa ka mo. At Carmel. Ay, thank you so much ha. Kay nag-cooperate sa 10 seconds. Congratulations.
Good evening, everyone. In the years that I've been ninang for so many couples, it's the first time that I am the sole ninang. Ito lang po yung inattend ko na ako lang yung nag-iisang ninang. That's why, Carmeli and Bernard, it's really a pleasure and an honor for you to have chosen me as your ninang. Okay? Ang advice ko lang, since I've heard this afternoon that Bernard is based in Singapore, no? So it's very important ang sa inyo yung communication. Okay? So there is no reason kahit na long distance because we have all these gadgets and this mga cellphone and everything, no? So sa ngayong panahon there is no reason for you not to communicate to each other. If possible, every day of your life, no? Kung sakali man magkalayo kayo. Okay? So aside from that, you should have a good communication. I also would advise that you put God in the center of your relationship. Okay? Because everything emanates from Him. Pinagtagpo kayo ng niyang dalawa, no? So hindi kayo makalimot dapat kay Lord because with Him at the center, everything will be fine. Okay? So love each other. Bernard, anak-anakan ko to. Okay? Alagaan mo siya because I've been a part of her life when I was in the bed and even until now. Okay? So, take care of each other, huwag kang palaway, ha? Take care of each other and love each other. And I pray and hope that you will have many children. No? Kasi sabi ko kay Carmeli, medyo maghahabol na tayo kasi nasa high risk na tayo. Okay? So, sana next year, meron na kaming makitang chikiting mo. Good luck and God bless your relationship.
Thank you, Lord. At last, nag-decide na talaga si bunso namin. Di ba? Of all, sa lahat sila, siya ang pinaka-late na mag-asawa. Ang only nga ihambal ko sa imo mon, love and respect ang inyong i-cherish ni Melay sa inyong life. Pero una-una si Lord talaga. Kay siya gid ang nag-ano sa inyo na mag-decide whatever. Yan lang. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
For me as parent and mother of the bride to give a message or pieces of advice or some thoughts to our newlywed Carmeli and Bernard. No? We are very happy. We are very happy for the information of everybody. Ano, we are very happy na sila po yung napatuloyan. As ang alam ko talaga, Bernard is very respectful, very responsible, and hardworking guy. We know that they were classmates since elementary and high school, and aside from that, they were friends, best friend, as far as I know. Okay? So doon po, we are confident, my husband and our family are confident na Bernard will take care of our daughter, Carmeli. Okay? So as you embark the new chapter or journey of your life together, please remember always that marriage is a commitment. It's not only a commitment to your partner, but it's a commitment to God. Okay. Another very important, which Doc has already mentioned a while ago, communication is really very important too. Honest communication. Okay. So many times, i-share ko lang ito, many times I have observed na tatawagin namin si Carmeli magkain ng dinner. Mel, kaon na. And then Carmeli will say, Ma, una na ka mo. Kahit istorya pa kami ni Bernard. Okay. So, I hope you can continue that kind of practice, guys, no? Because communication really is very, very important. Okay. So, another thing that I would like to emphasize, ano, at naririnig na rin ito ng mga, hindi lang kay Carmeli, sa lahat ng aking mga anak. I need to articulate this because I think this is very important. You really had to, since I have mentioned that Bernard is hardworking, and not only Bernard, in fairness kay Carmeli, she is also hardworking. Okay? So, I just would like to emphasize that you have, since you are hardworking individuals, my advice is that you are going to spend below your means. Okay, because some of the married couples sometimes are getting trouble with that, with their finances, ano? Okay, and ano pa ba? May nalimutan pa ba ako? Okay, and you have to remember also that there is no such perfect marriage, no perfect relationship in this world. I agree with that. And so, if you are going to meet some challenges along the way, my advice is that you are going to do your part. No, that is very ano yan siya na pangyayari. Ano yan, natural. It's a natural thing to happen in a couple, no? So what you're going to do, you do your part, and that's in trust and commit everything to the Lord. Congratulations, mga anak, Carmeli and Bernard. Bernard, you're welcome to our family, to commit your family, as well as your family, you're all welcome to our family. Congratulations, and God bless your relationship. Thank you, everyone, for coming.
Good evening, sorry. Ako galing si Jiro, no? Naging friends kami nila Bernard. High school, na-intimate ko siya sa volleyball. Si Melay naman magkabarkada kami. So sa high school kami, may mga kanya-kanya na sila nga girlfriend, boyfriend. So, wala kami ga-expect. Wala kami ga-expect na kumbaga sa uli sila gali. So base may mga pagtinginan na sila dati pa. So, pero happy kami. In behalf sa barkada, okay wala problema. Wala man may ma-object, guro Wala man sila din. Tapos na to. Tapos, advice ko, single pa man kumit nga, ano ko diyan. Pati diyan married na ko. advice ko lang, Bern, di lang magpadakop, gid. Kag hindi lang mag-amin, I-deny lang. Pati, put God first, gid, in the center, no? Kay para hindi ka mo mag-away sa sobra. Advice ko man, kung may problema, Bern, kung pwede, pabuwasan na lang. Kaya base may mastorya ka mo sa isa't isa nga hindi dapat, nga natulog na lang ka mo. So pagkabukas, base okay naman. Kung may mga problema lang man, communication like sabi ni Ninang, ano pa ba? May LDR ka mo subong. Ano lang i-communication na amo lang gito mahambal ko, Bern. Congrats, God bless.
Okay, hi, good evening everyone. I'm Kylie. Both barkada ni Bernard and ni Melay. Since elementary. So, sa giyambal ni Jiro, daw wala gid sang, joke lang. Kumiyara man gamay. Hindi siya reliable. Okay. No, I just wish both of you happy marriage life. It's not perfect, pero I always have a motto, mag-aaway pero di maghihiwalay. Okay? So, ang ako lang i-advise is, always namon ginamake. Nga mag-asawa is, before we sleep, kung nag-away man kami, even grabe nga away, pag bugtaw namon sa aga, finish. Promise, one of the proudest sa akon marriage life is never nag-reach like, siguro the longest nga magkaaway kami is like 1 day lang gid. Promise. Tapos hindi kami mahilig magbalik. So hindi na bagong kata ang problems, ayuso na before you sleep at night. Because at the end of the day, matapad ka mo sa higdaan nga you have a heavy heart. So always talk. You converse always. So amo lang ang ma-advise ko. Mag-aaway pero di maghiwalay. Wow. Congratulations. Oh my gosh, may nagpa-makeup ako.
So, good evening everyone! Okay lang ba?
Mainit.
Medyo mainit lang pero dali lang man eh. Anyway, first of all, I want to thank myself
Yes.
for conceptualizing all of this stress in my life. To all my DIYs, sa pag-edit ng invitation sa Canva, I want to thank myself. Shut up. Of course, I want to thank now my husband for providing financially. Hindi ko magagawa to kung walang budget. Anyway, we want to thank our parents, Mama, Papa, Nanay, for welcoming both of us, each other's family. First time namon nagpamalayi sa family namon sa birthday ko. Hindi ko ba sadya man na namon pamalayi. As in super sadya lang, damo sa karadlawan, damo bloopers. I want to thank Nanay's family, Hilomen family, Lagamon family for welcoming me as one of their own. And sa mama and papa ko sa support. Although dasig lang ni siya nga preparation, but they're always there to support me. I also wanted to thank Nanay Bello for helping us schedule sa Tantaran Municipal Hall. Tinulbaan ko magpa-schedule. So, thank you gid Nay Bello for naibing sa pag-help sa amon. Mga utod ko, utod ni Bernard, sa pag-follow up man sa amon, sa mga kinahanglan namon, and offer their support or their assistance sa amon nga wedding. Ginpasalamatan ko ang mga nag-sponsor. Hindi ko na pag-mention, pero nag-sponsor. Si Jertin, I also wanted to thank Jertin for offering. Ang mga friends ko actually, nag-message sila sa akin nga kung ano ba daw ba ang mabulig nila sa akin. Bala nila nga Kami lang duwa ni Bernard, mostly yan nag-communicate din. And of course, sa mga relatives namon nga naglakat dire, naglakat sa Tantangan, mga friends namon, mga colleagues ko, nga naglakat dire, colleagues ko dati sa hospital, mga barkada namon since high school. Although hindi man gid kamo ara diri tanan, pero na-appreciate ko gid ang mga tao nga naglakat diri subong. Sa ninang namon, Doc Gigi and Sir, I know one pair lang amon ninang-ninong. Nakibot pa si Doc Gigi kay wala man sa amin siya nahambalan, kaya siya lang isa. Mayo na lang naglakat ko gid, Doc. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today. Sa mga pinsan ko nga nag-help sa akin organize. Thank you so much sa mga suppliers ko. Thank you very much man sa patience nyo kung may mga request ko. And that would be all. Let's just enjoy tonight. Enjoy the food. Tapos sadya lang. So amo lang man ang gina-request lang na ginamon. Your presence and your blessing sa subong adlaw. That's all. Thank you. Si Sir. Ikaw daw. Okay.
Good evening everyone. So, i-second ko lang yung ano ni Melay na siya gid ang nag-effort man sinitanan. Kay, syempre wala, ko layo. So, ang budget secondary na lang na. Kaya kung hindi siya mag-effort, wala man gyapon may matab.
Ay.
You're the best.
Oh, wow.
So, yun lang. So, napasalamatan niya naman na halos lahat. But, sino pa ba'y dugang ko? Thank you sa tanan. Ano man, i-mention ko lang si tatay. So, amo lang yabing na miss ni tatay nga kasal sa amon. Well, anyways, gusto ko lang ma-feel up yung presence mo ni tatay subo. So, gusto ko lang siya i-mention. Yun lang. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for what I got. Once again, let's give a big round of applause to our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Lumen.
Hindi ko ba?
Mommy and Sarah, he may not be here with us physically, but he's here with us in spirit. Amen? Amen. Because siya yan dyan sa tabi mo, Mommy.
Ayan!
Nandyan si Sir. Okay? And at this point, ladies and gents, I know everybody's looking for